Hi, I'm Micah Schellenberger. I'm from New Wilmington, Pennsylvania, and I'm currently an honors college student and a third year studying ecology and environmental sciences here at the University of Maine.
Hi, my name is Callie McGee. I'm a junior from Long Island, New York, and I'm a double major in English and Political Science with a minor in Legal Studies.
Hi, I'm Ruth Griffith, and I'm a senior economics major at UMaine, and I'm from Piscataquis County in northern Maine. I joined the Honors College because the small class sizes really have allowed me to make connections with my professors, while the research opportunities have allowed me to apply what I learn in my coursework through research projects.
One strength of the Honors College is that it kind of encourages you to try new things and push your comfort zone a little bit. And an example of that for me is I was encouraged to apply for a fellowship at Pittsburgh Theological Seminary, and I ended up getting it. And I got an awesome opportunity to study theology and connect that back to what I'm studying here at UMaine. Honestly, without the encouragement of people in the honors community, I might not have ended up with that opportunity in the first place.
So one of the things that Honors really emphasizes is giving back to the community. There are two ways that I like to do that. One is through my sorority, Delta Zeta. We do philanthropy events for our national partners. But on Fridays, I also go and volunteer at the Old Town Animal Orphanage. So I come every Friday pretty much. I walk dogs, I hang out with the cats, and Rex is by far my favorite. Don't tell the others.
Right now, I'm in the Rose Garden, which is my favorite place on campus. There's no Wi-Fi or cell signal in the Rose Garden, so I come here just to read and think. And I realized that the best way to actually get something from the reading was to sit down, come out here, and just engage with it slowly instead of rushing through it in the library. So here in the Rose Garden, I learned that solving problems can often start by giving yourself the space to think, and I learned that through honors.
So when I was applying for my internship, I had never really applied for anything in like a professional capacity before. I worked, odd jobs in high school, but I had never really had to interview, which was something that I had to do for my internship. So my professors and my advisors in the Honors College helped me a lot because they sat down with me, helped me make my resume look good. They helped me mock interview and practice so I knew what I was doing, and it really just helped me get confident and feel prepared. It's really been a insane opportunity to kind of get myself into the legal field, to learn a little bit more about how it works, to actually get to work on cases, and I'm really grateful to the Honors College for facilitating that.
As a prospective college student, it can be nerve-wracking coming into university. Oftentimes, you're not quite sure what you want to do or what you hope to gain from your education, and honors is a great way to help with that. Through the honors core curriculum, you'll learn about a variety of different subjects and be surrounded by peers who are really eager and excited to learn. So it's a great place to start your educational journey.